Hey there, everyone. If you've been using DramaBox and wondering how on earth people manage to collect thousands, if not millions, of coins, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I was able to get a massive amount of coins using a super simple method that literally anyone can do. Now, if you take a look at my iPhone screen right here, you'll notice something kind of crazy. I've already used this method, and yeah, the amount of coins I have is insane. The process is really straightforward. You don't need any technical skills, and you definitely don't need to spend money. All you have to do is follow along with me step by step in this video. Seriously, don't skip ahead, because if you miss even one part, you might not get the full results. But if you stick with me to the end and follow everything I do, you'll see exactly how easy it is to get those coins flowing. So grab your phone, get comfy, and let's go through this together. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for DramaBox and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.